Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you delete or deactivate your account permanently in Chat and Date dating app. So first of all, open the app. Now after the app has been displayed on the screen, tap on the profile icon which is at bottom right of the screen. Here you'll see a setting icon which is at top left of the screen. Tap on that. After that, tap on account. You'll see delete account option at the bottom of the screen in color black. Tap on that. It's saying yet are you sure you want to delete your account? If you just like to hide for a while or start over, you can. Now you can choose any one option, but here I'll tap on delete your account and tap on continue. It says that sorry to see you go, please let us know your reason for leaving. You can select for any one valid reason why do you want to delete your account. I'll tap on Chat and Date. It's just not what I expected, and enter the comment in the given text box. After that, tap on delete account, so hit the blue button, and here you have successfully deleted your account from Chat and Date app. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video for more updates. Thank you.